So let's look at short vowel sounds. So sometimes other letters can sound like a vowel in a word. Other letters can sound like a vowel in a word. Makes sense, okay? And these are the syllables. Syllables. How long a word is. How many vowels and vowel sounds a word has. Each vowel and vowel sound in a word. Adrian, free. Pen, pen. White but odd. A, cat. Cat. Hat. A, hat. Nice. One syllable. Cat. Hat. One syllable. Cat. Hat. Nice. For E, A, E, E. So, like said, said. One syllable. Said. Friend, friend. These letters can sound like the vowel E, and it's one syllable. Head. Leopard. As it runs across the Sahara, well, Africa. Leopard. This EO, one syllable, one vowel sound, one short vowel sound. E. Leopard. Head. Friend. Said. How cool is that? So sometimes other letters can sound like a vowel in the word. The letters have to be in the word for it to sound like a vowel. A syllable. That's what a syllable is. Each vowel sound and each vowel and each vowel sound. So friend, friend. Said. Head, not her head. Leopard, maybe two. Leopard. Because we have the A here. Leopard. Two syllables. Very nice. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.